Hello everyone, this is Sister Margaret Mary. I haven't made a video in a while, so I decided to make a video because I need help. I am working on an Addi stuffed bear, and you can find the pattern on YouTube. If you look for Addi stuffed bear or Addi teddy bear, you'll find 5 videos. And I'm so proud of myself because I made, let's see, here's one of the arms, and I did it slightly in a different way compared to the original pattern, but I tucked it back here so when you look at this part of the arm, I hope it's in front of the camera, at least you can see part of the contour or give it the shape of the arm. And then I have the other one. So here's the other arm. Let's see, it's about there. Okay. This really bothers me, but I guess I can't help it. The gathering. I guess there's no way I can make that part flat. And we have the gathering on right there. You know, it's puckered like a hat would be. But here's my dilemma. The 2 legs, and it's doubled. So you knit a tube on the Addi and then you fold it in half. Well, for the foot, you had to seam it, and I did this by feeling it, and I did the other one. I thought, hey, this is not pretty, not a bad job for someone who can't really see what she's doing. But for the foot, this is the hard part. I would have to, and I understand the principle of it, but I would have to pick up, maybe about here, on either side, pick up the center of the V and lace it like a shoe. And then when I get down to the bottom, I pull on the 2 ends and it pulls in. I would skip stitches in between, so I would you know, insert my yarn through the center of a V, then go to this side, back to this side, this side, this side, and I would leave 5 stitches in between, and then I would pull on the yarn and it would close up and it would make the leg narrow. So if you do it perfectly, you can't tell that underneath you have a tucked portion. But since I can't see to do this part, I tried it, but I had the sisters look for me and they said it's kind of messy. So here's my dilemma. Is there any way, any suggestions of making this leg and foot for the teddy bear? See what she did. Oh wait, I forgot to tell you. Instead of folding the foot this way, she had to do it this way. And you can see that that's part of the foot. So I'm stuck. I don't want to do it the same way I did the arms and the hand. It just doesn't seem right. So if anybody can help me finish this leg, do I stuff it? And then do I sew in and maybe tuck the foot? But I don't want to have too many tucks in the work. I want it all hidden. But if you go, what I'll probably do is put the link for the teddy bear after I post this video, and then you can get an idea of my problem and how to maybe come up with an alternative way of doing the teddy bear legs. So I would be happy for any advice. Thank you, everyone.